Today I'll be reviewing the Airmoto Smart Air Pump. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you everything that comes in your package. In your box, you will receive additional tips. You will also receive the USB-C charging cable. You will receive your Airmoto Air Pump, and then you will also receive a little bag where you could place this once you're done. Here is your charging cable that you will receive in your package, and here are the different tips that you will receive as well. To turn it on, you simply want to hold the middle button. As you can see, it has an LED screen here, and it's going to go ahead and tell you the PSI pressure. That's going to be the bottom number. The top number here is the pressure that it's at currently. So then it does have different modes, and to change the modes, you simply just want to press the bottom. And it has a car, it has a motorcycle, it has a bicycle, and then it has a ball. And again, the bottom number is going to be the PSI that it should be at. Now, to get your air hose, you just simply want to pull this out. As you can see, it does have a little arrow here, so you want to go ahead and pull that out. Then you want to go ahead and place it on there. It is good to go. Now, depending on what you are inflating, just simply make sure it's on the correct mode. And then once you're ready to get started, just simply hold that middle button. As you can see, it is simple as that. The numbers here will actually start going up once the tire is being inflated, or the ball, or the motorcycle, whatever it is that you are inflating. On the side here, it does have a deflate option. Once you're done, simply remove your hose and place it back on here. And just like that, you're done. Also, another great feature that it does have an LED light. Simply hold the top right here, and you're going to go ahead and see that come on. Take a look. So this is perfect, especially if the area is dark and you're trying to inflate something, then this definitely will come in handy. Once you're finished, simply hold the middle button down, and then this will shut off, as you can see. Once you're all finished, place your Airmoto Smart Pump in the baggie, and you're all done. Overall, I would definitely recommend.